Recycle.
Recycle. This is carbon dioxide. This is climate. This is planet. This is volcano. This is
Dry season.
dry season. This is
Thunder.
thunder. This is
Wildfire.
fire. This is
Hurricane.
hurricane.
Read this one. Soccer.
Soccer is more extreme than sand. That is the
Easiest
easiest
subject for me.
For me, sleeping is the most relaxed than walking.
Climbing.
Climbing is the most
Difficult
difficult
activity.
activity.